Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, for today's video, I'm going to be giving away something to you guys, something that was created by me, and I'm just going to be giving a few of these away in the next few weeks because I wanted to give back. Now, this is a painting of a hummingbird that I painted, I would say, I don't think the date is on here. My signature's on here, but probably 12 years ago. It was a watercolor painting, and I made these little bags out of it. And so I have several of these to give away in the next few videos because I was wanting to give away a painting a while back when I thought I would reach 7,000, but my channel it's just stagnant, you guys. It's not growing, and I'm not saying that so you'll feel bad for me, but it's just, I don't know what it is, the algorithm. Like, I lost 10 subscribers this week, you guys. I don't know what to do about it, but I thought because I had promised, you know, to give away a painting, I thought I'm gonna go ahead and give away a couple of these cute little bags to you guys because you guys have supported me. Some of you have supported me from the very beginning, and I just really appreciate it, you guys. And if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. YouTube will probably take it away. I'm sure it's bots. I just don't know what the deal is, you guys. It's so weird. But I have something to unbox here that I got from Macy's, and yes, it is a Coach item. Are you shocked? And I have a few items here that I picked up today. I guess you could call it a little shoppy show and tell, as my friend Rachel from Bags Babe Coterie calls it. So I just want to share with you guys these items. I love to shop at Walmart. I think the quality is fantastic. There's certain brands that I really enjoy, so I want to share with you a couple items that I picked up today. All right, so if you want to see what all I have today, stick around. Let me share with you my bag of the week. I'm carrying my gorgeous NAOMI crafted Birkin-esque bag. You guys, I love this bag. This is the size 30, and I had her to put YotaStyle on there. The only thing, I wish I had her to put established and the year that I started my channel, or the year maybe that she had made the bag for me. Next time I get a bag from her, I will. This is a great everyday size bag. At first I thought it was kind of heavy, but I'm kind of used to it now. I think all bags like this are kind of heavy, but I just carry it on the crook of the arm, and I really love it. You guys remember I had a Birkin, and it was the 35, and it was just like this, black with silver, and this one is just as fabulous, you guys. Why play the game and why spend the big bucks when you can get with NAOMI and she will make you the the NAOMI Birkin of your dreams. Oh, and I meant to tell you guys, I think I mentioned it before, but Keith and I are going on a cruise at, Keith and I are going on a cruise right after my birthday. I think we're leaving like the next day. My daughter's a little upset that I'm not going to be here for Mother's Day. That's 2 years in a row because we tend to go on a cruise in May. And so that's coming up, and we're going to Bora Bora. We're going to Tahiti, the French Polynesia area. I'm super stoked, you guys, and I want to get some Tahitian pearls. Yes, I do. I'm just so excited. But I've been, you know, shopping, getting some things for the trip, and I picked up a few items. I'll share them with you now. All right, guys. All right, the first thing that I found, this is kind of a repeat of something I've already purchased, and I just got it in another color. You guys know that I love Lululemon, but it's very pricey. Well, they have this Avia, you know, sports brand, and it's kind of that stretchy Lululemon type material, nylon and spandex. Well, I have a black one, and this is a shorter jacket. I've got a long black Lulu one, and I bought a black one like this, and I love it just as much, you guys. So much cheaper, because like the jacket at Lululemon is like, what? I don't remember, like $140 or something, and this one was $22. So I like this pop of red because I tend to wear a lot of black. So this is a short little jacket that I got. It's that Soft Sculpt Avia brand. And I got a size medium, and it's a 8'10". So that makes 2 of these that I have gotten recently. They also have like little tank tops to match it and shorts and things like that, but I just wanted the jacket. Okay, I love t-shirts. I love band merch t-shirts, and at Walmart you can find some pretty good ones. This is kind of a cut-off shorter one, and it is Britney Spears. And you guys, she is in rehab now. I've always loved Britney. I've seen her in concert. My daughter and I were talking about her today, how sad the whole Britney situation is. They just messed her up, you guys. Her family just messed her up, and I just really, I don't know. I love Britney, I always have. So I like this t-shirt. It's a very worn look, kind of a gray color, and so I got this t-shirt. I like to wear stuff like this around the house or just running around to the grocery store, stuff like that. And I found some really cute shorts, and this is the brand Time and True, and it's one of my favorite brands that they carry. And I just thought these were so cute, you guys. These were $22.98. They're kind of got this big pocket in the front, little pockets in the back, and I got a size small, size 4-6, because I wear a 6, and there's plenty of room because it's got the drawstring. So I got these, and I'm gonna take these on my trip. I think these would be super comfortable with a pair of white sneakers, a tank top. It'll be cute with this. And I just love these basic denim shorts. So I picked those up. I found this really cute yellow top actually to wear with this short. And it's a Jessica Simpson. And I just loved it. And actually this is what I bought to go together, just to wear on my trip. We'll be doing, you know, some excursions and just running around, and I like to be super comfortable. And I just love this pale yellow color, and this was on clearance, $13. So cute. I like it. And my daughter got kind of a, I think she got like a cream color one. We thought these were really cute, soft and gauzy. So I assume it's going to be nice, beautiful weather in French Polynesia. Oh, you guys, I can't wait. Oh, and back to Britney Spears. We saw her in concert in Vegas, and we were doing a little bit of gambling, and then we had a drink at the bar, and then Keith and I went upstairs, and Alexandra stayed downstairs, and she said that here came this big entourage, and it was Britney Spears and the whole entourage, and they were having everybody, you know, get back, and they had the ropes out, and she walked right past her, so she was thrilled to be able to see her. You guys, I just really hope one day that she gets it together. I really do. Okay, now the next little items I got is just wear around the house. I thought it'd be nice just to wear in the cabin when we're at sea all day, or if we're just hanging out and resting. These are just some knit, like sweatshirt, kind of like sweatpants shorts. I got a small 4-6. They had these little matching, or not matching, they had lots of little tank tops with them. So I thought the black and the blue, this is cute just to wear, you know, in the cabin. So I got this one, and then I got a brown set. And what's so cute about this one is the brown with the pink trim. If I can get it, okay. The brown with the pink trim, and I got a medium top. So I got these two little outfits just, you know, resting day or whatever. I'm sure when we're at sea, we like to play games, we like to go out and socialize, but sometimes, you know, we just want to lounge around in the cabin. So I thought those were cute little lounge sets. So that's all I got at Walmart. Actually, I ordered some kind of moccasin shoes because they didn't have my size, and I'll show you those later. And they had my daughter's size, so I picked her up some. And lately I've picked up quite a few things from Walmart, and I just didn't show it with you guys. But I think I'm going to start showing you the clothing and stuff that I get, because lots of times that is where I buy my clothes. I buy a lot of clothes on TikTok shop. Now, if I need something really nice, I'll order something from Nordstrom. It is very rare that I go to the mall and try on clothes. That is just not something that I enjoy, something that I do. I usually just order if I need something really nice. But for my lifestyle, this is the kind of stuff I love to wear. I'm going to link some of this stuff below and some of the other stuff I've purchased on other shopping days at Walmart. So I'm going to link this and some other things that I've purchased at Walmart. And you guys, the prices are just awesome. You could buy like $200 worth, and you could never go to the mall and get casual things like this and this great a quality, because I do love good quality. So that's my Walmart haul. All right, before we do the unboxing, I was going to ask you guys. So I was playing around with my little DIY charms, and there's a few that I missed. Like, I don't have the apple and the pretzel. Those are the two that I'm wanting. Are they going to restock those, or was that just a one-time thing? I have noticed with Coach a lot of times, you know, once it's gone, it's gone. Was that just like a special thing? Because I really need the pretzel and I really need the apple. So if you guys come across it, could you just message me either on Instagram or email me, because I don't know, I'm just obsessed with these little things. And I also use them on other bags. So I had this little cherry one on an SLG that I was using as a clutch, and I just would really like to get the rest of them. So if any of you guys come across the pretzel and the apple, let me know. But I don't know why Coach does that. And that's one reason why I went ahead and ordered these shoes. Yes, they're shoes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, because I've missed out on some things that I just thought was going to be around. And a lot of times once it's gone, it is just gone. And, you know, Coach is relatively, you know, well, it's affordable. I mean, some of it is expensive, but for the most part, it's pretty affordable. I call it affordable luxury. But I just loved these shoes, and I had to get them because I kept putting it off, and I thought, if I don't get these, they're going to be gone. So I can't wait to show them to you. Okay, here's the box. I'm so excited to see these. All right, just everything just thrown in there willy-nilly, but okay, wait, you guys, oh my gosh, these are not shoes. It's what I ordered. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've got shoes coming. I forgot, because it's been sitting up here for about 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. My friend Monica, and I will link her channel below and list it right here. You guys, this is her fault. Yeah. I'm still shocked that they're not shoes, but it is a handbag. Can you tell which one it is? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so shocked. I was sure it was the shoes, but then I thought, wow, they sure did come fast. Okay, let me get this out of here, and then I'm going to talk about it. So this is from Macy's, and normally if I order something like a bag or something, I like to order it from Coach because they do excellent wrapping, and sometimes from a department store you don't get that, but this one definitely is wrapped up nice, and it's definitely not a return. So yes, I got this gorgeous brown caramelish color. I think Deline has this one as well. You guys, now I have triplets just like Monica. Girl, we are the happy mother of triplets. Let me get this stuff off, and I'll come back and talk about why I could not resist this color. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how beautiful. So, I have the other two, and I'll show them to you in a moment, but I got all three because I love this style. It's like a little pochette accessoire, and you know they're coming out with it again in the azure. Might have to go there. But anyway, guys, I got all three of these for less than one Louis Vuitton pochette, and I love this style. And when Monica was showing hers, I'm going to link everybody's channel below that I'm talking about. A lot of times I forget to do that, guys, and I'm so sorry. But I thought, this is the epitome of fall colors. So I just had to have it, you guys. Had to have it, and I could put some of my little DIY charms on it like I did the others. But I thought, why am I letting this slide by? Because I thought 2's enough. I don't need this color. They're all so different. Yeah, it screams fall to me. It screams, it's almost Halloween. It screams harvest and fall clothing. And I mean, I can wear this all year around. I'm just so glad that I went ahead and got it. And I'm so glad, Monica, that you influenced me, because I think this is something I really would have regretted not picking up. Okay, guys, here are the triplets. Monica cracked me up when she was doing her video talking about the triplets. Now I have triplets. So the first one I got was this one, because you guys know I wear black. I love black. I could not resist it, and it's just that whole, you know, vibe, kind of a vintage vibe. I love the black denim on this one, and I thought, you know, that's enough. I'll just use the heck out of this bag. Well, I got to looking at this one, and I thought this is a perfect little pochette for summer. And I haven't sprayed it with the Apple Guard, but I'm going to. I'm not advising that you do it, but I'm going to spray all of these with a light coat of Apple Guard, because it's never failed me. And just look at that with the white denim, the white distressed denim. So I had these two, and I thought, okay, that's good. I don't need the brown. Well, then when I watched Monica's video, I thought, yes, I do. Because it does. It looks so fall, and just so, that is my favorite time of the year, as if you guys don't know that already. So I thought, I just absolutely need all three. At this price, why not? Because as I said, I would really like to get that new pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton they're coming out with. I don't know if it has a, I can't remember now. Does it have the braided pink color on it? I think it has a rose ballerine interior. But you guys, these are such a good buy, and I absolutely love every last one of them. I don't even know which one my favorite is. At first I didn't know if I loved this one, but then when she did her video, when Monica, girl, when you did your video, I was like, yes, I do. I love it. I have to have it. And I am just so thrilled with these bags. And every time, you guys, I'm just so obsessed with Coach these days. Every time I get a bag, I'm like, okay, that's it for a while. Thank God the 29 drop, the 429 drop is ugly. In my opinion. I'm safe from that drop, you guys, because they're coming out with some rough looking stuff on the 29th, right? And I think then after that they're gonna have some pink denim. I mean, you guys, I'm just hopelessly in love with Coach these days, and I don't make any excuses about it, that's for sure. But anyway, I'm just so thrilled that I now have the triplets, and I'm just so glad that I picked this one up, because I think this is, I love brown and blacks together, and I love orange. It's one of my favorite colors. So which one is your favorite? Do you like this colorway? Do you like the white colorway? Or do you like the black? I don't know which one my favorite is. This is the first one that I purchased. I think the prettiest one might be this one, or is it this one? I don't know, you guys. Let me know which ones you like. And did you pick these up? I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I will see you guys very, very soon. Have a fabulous week. Peace.